Hello, all siren enthusiasts and fire alarm enthusiasts. Today, we're at this AcA P50 located in DeSoto, Texas. It's a suburb of Dallas, Texas, which this is the only AcA P50 I think in the Texas area. There might be others, but I don't know if there is because there's Paris, Texas. There's a P50 there too, but they're both yellow, I think. This one though is yellow and unique because they painted the fiberglass yellow. It's powered by a 50 horsepower motor and a dual tone 812 port chopper. So it's basically just a rotational version of the Cyclone 125 or 120. But they took off the intake on the Cyclone and then put in the P50 and then the P50 projector. And then they made it like so big that a full grown man can stand in it without having to crouch. And at SirenCon, this thing, one of these models actually exploded because the chopper had a little crack in it and exploded and destroyed itself at SirenCon. And it is powered by, I think, AcA controls, but then there's also ASC, which I'll get a closer shot of when we get there. But right now, here's the best I can try to get of the inside. You can't really see the chopper because you would have to go far back. I don't want to waste time. So, all right, now you're ready for the close-up shots. Close-up shots are the close-up is like the ASC controller. Ooh, I said that. The ASC controller right here. ASC notification solutions, and then the old AcA control, because you can see the old AcA logo right there. And then pole right near a neighborhood. I feel bad for all these people that have to live near this thing. And then there's the underneath shot, and then you can see the rotator and the Cyclone back cover, which they use the Cyclone covers. Bye, y'all. Hope you had a good time watching this video. Also, Merry Christmas, folks. Thank you and bye.